we'll guide you through how to download Blender software. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in blender.org. This is the official Blender website where you can safely download the software. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a big blue button that says Download Blender. Click on that button, and it will take you to the download page. Here, Blender automatically detects your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and offers you the appropriate version. If for some reason it doesn't, you can manually select your operating system from the options listed. Now, click on the download button for your system. Your download should start immediately. While it's downloading, make sure you have enough space on your hard drive, as Blender can use a bit of storage, especially if you plan on working with large projects. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If you're on Windows, you might see a security pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The installer will then open, and you'll be guided through the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, choose where you want to install Blender, and then click Install. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you can launch Blender right away by clicking Finish and checking the box that says Run Blender. Congratulations, you now have Blender installed on your computer. Feel free to explore the software, and maybe start with some tutorials to get you going on your 3D modeling journey. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.